Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to draw a line. If you want to draw lines in Microsoft Word, we can use the shape tools. You can go to insert tab and then click on shapes, and there are the options to draw a line. You can click on the line tools in it. I will click, and you can click on the document, like I will click from this point, hold, and then you can move to drag it. Done, you can release to set the line. Another option, you also can edit the color for the line color, or you can use this shape outlines or shape effect. And like you can set for the shadow and another option. Then you can click offset to apply this line. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to draw a line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.